Hello again and welcome to another review, and today I'd like to show you this Nissan Navara Tekna DCI 2018, finished in the black, privacy glass on the back, nice looking truck. Just a few minor scratches, nothing that wouldn't buff out easily. Nice alloys, side steps, folding mirrors, just got a tiny bit of damage on the passenger seat there. Two remote keys, clean inside, rubber mats, spare number plate for your trailer, a leather interior. Load area, rear parking sensors, and a camera on the back as well, so you can see what's going on. Tow bar with electrics. No dents. It's got the AdBlue top up there as well because it's Euro 6 emissions, this one. Storage under the back seat. Jack lives under there, toolkit. Very nice. Straight looking truck. Got the 360 cameras all round as well. 54,000 miles. Push button, stop start. DAB radio. Sat nav. If you select reverse camera comes up as well. 6-speed manual, auxiliary and USB inputs, 12-volt sockets, one there, one at the top there as well, 2-wheel 4 low and high selection there, heated front seats, 2 levels, locking wheel nut tool, present and correct. Storage, another 12-volt socket in there. And then you got steering wheel mounted controls for the Bluetooth phone, which you can select from there, and cruise control on the opposite side. So yeah, very well equipped truck. Everything you need to work, low mileage, full service history is a pack there with all the history in it, so all up to date. So there you go, if you're interested. Feel free to give me a shout on the usual number or drop me an email. And thanks again for watching.